The immune system is not the villain in the narrative going on in autoimmunity. Let me explain, because things get a lot clearer when you start to understand the mechanisms behind how the immune system works, even at its most foundational level. The immune system's job is to identify threats, whether coming externally, like from pathogens, viruses, bacteria, or internally, that could be the cell breaking down from the inside. And this ranges from the most basic, simple, mundane daily happenings of a cell, like taking out the trash, or a disease state in which something has gone really wrong and needs to be addressed. The immune system identifies and neutralizes these threats, leaving ROS, reactive oxygen species, in their path. These ROS lead to inflammation, which serve as breadcrumbs for the body to come in and clean up afterwards. And it's an incredible system. These ROS molecules serve both as a defense mechanism. They're able to actually attack and neutralize threats at the source. They also serve as rebuilding messengers. So they let everyone else know, hey, listen, this is where the damage is. Come in and clean up after me. But what happens if there is a constant stream of either pathogens or cell breakdown and not enough resources to clean up afterwards? The immune system keeps getting called in to all of these little fires going on in the body. The immune system is running low on the resources to even neutralize the threat, no less rebuild the tissue where the threat was happening. And I would argue that from an autoimmune standpoint, where we have these specific tissues that we're being told are being targeted by the immune system, might the specific cells, tissues, and organs that are being affected by autoimmunity actually just be a source of cell dysfunction on a massive scale? And the immune system is there trying to clean up, but it just simply doesn't have the resources to do it. That's not an immune problem. The immune system is doing its job. It's identifying the threat. It just doesn't have the tools to clean up. And so then our job becomes twofold, because A, we want it to have the resources to rebuild where the problems are, but we also need to address the cellular dysfunction so that it stops ringing the fire alarm.